April 24th, 2014, Santa Barbara, California. We are at the beach at the Pacific Ocean, and pointing in this direction, up the road is our hotel, Pacific Crest Inn. Yes, and over here, we went this direction on our first full day, and here these are the beautiful birds here. They are nice boats here, and here Chris is way ahead with the blue shirt, but I am catching up to him. Yeah. And over in this direction is the Stearnes Wharf, where we were taken yesterday, and the harbor beyond it. And we are continuing on to the rest of each beach, where there's a break. I am grateful to have this opportunity. Thank you.